Welcome to Manna Home Design, where thoughtful design turns real houses into homes. Here, we share home decor ideas, interior design inspiration, simple landscaping guides, and practical home design tips for everyday living, especially in small, smart spaces that are meant to be lived in. What if a 750 square foot New York City apartment could comfortably support a family of 5, with room to breathe, create, and grow? This home proves that brilliant design isn't about size, it's about intention. Step inside this brilliant 750 square foot New York City apartment, where smart family living and clever DIY solutions make every inch work harder. From custom-built storage and floating triple bunk beds to multifunctional rooms shaped by personal history, this home shows how small space design, thoughtful planning, and resilience can transform everyday living. This isn't about perfection, it's about creating a home that truly works for real life. If you love smart small space design and real family homes, hit subscribe and turn on notifications, so you never miss a brilliant idea. Entryway, small space, big function. Welcome inside this small New York City apartment, where every square inch is designed to maximize space for real family living. In this compact entryway, smart DIY small space decor and vertical storage solutions turn a narrow footprint into a functional daily hub for a family of 5. It's practical, intentional, and designed for real life, not perfection. This custom wall-mounted shoe bench keeps the floor clear, while stacked IKEA coat hangers and folding hooks create flexible storage that appears only when needed. Mirrors, layered lighting, and consistent accent colors help the space feel larger, brighter, and more open, proof that clever design can completely transform a small apartment entryway. Here, storage is divided into temporary and long-term zones, reducing clutter and daily friction. This entryway sets the tone for the entire home: thoughtful DIY solutions, personal history, and a lived-in New York City apartment that prioritizes function, flow, and what truly matters in small space family life. Kids' room, DIY floating triple bunks. In this kids' room, smart interior design turns a small New York City apartment into a space where 3 children can truly thrive. Custom-built DIY floating triple bunk beds maximize vertical space while giving each child their own personal zone, essential in a compact family apartment where every inch counts. Each bunk is more than a bed, it's a place to sleep, play, recharge, and feel ownership. Built-in shelving, custom book dividers, and permanent storage baskets keep everything organized and accessible. This is small space design that supports independence, creativity, and daily family routines. By modifying furniture and designing for flexibility, this room reflects a powerful truth: small homes demand smart solutions and emotional resilience. It's not about having more space. It's about using clever design, DIY storage, and thoughtful planning to make a small New York City apartment work beautifully for real family life. Kitchen: open, vertical, family-friendly. This compact New York City apartment kitchen proves that small spaces can feel open, bright, and highly functional. DIY open shelves made from simple wood slabs replace bulky cabinets, visually expanding the room while keeping everyday items within easy reach. Vertical storage is key here, from magnetic knife strips to high open shelving accessed with stools. Custom pull-out shelves, deep drawers, and handmade dividers ensure nothing gets lost. Every solution is built specifically for this small kitchen, because store-bought options rarely fit real apartments. This kitchen is designed for shared living, with kid-friendly zones, visual checklists, and accessible tools. It's organized but lived in, practical yet warm, showing how thoughtful interior design and DIY storage can transform a small New York City kitchen into the true heart of a family home. Primary bedroom, a DIY sanctuary. In a small New York City apartment, the primary bedroom becomes a sanctuary. This space was designed first, offering calm and stability during years of renovation. DIY interior design choices transform limited square footage into a peaceful retreat. A DIY wooden slat wall, floating shelves, and a custom-stained IKEA bed bring warmth and texture. The rustic white painted floors reflect light, while a sliding bedside storage box replaces a traditional nightstand, proof that small space solutions can be both beautiful and functional. Deep wardrobes hide layers of storage behind clean white boxes, making room for seasonal and everyday needs. This bedroom shows how personal history, clever DIY design, and intentional storage can turn a small apartment into a place of rest, meaning, and long-term living. Bathroom, small, open, and family-ready. This small New York City apartment bathroom was redesigned to feel open, bright, and accessible. Replacing a traditional door with a sliding barn door instantly saves space and improves flow, one of the smartest small space upgrades you can make. Instead of towel bars, simple hooks maximize wall space and flexibility. A lower mirror and repurposed storage accessories make the bathroom easy for kids to use independently. These DIY bathroom ideas prove that function always comes first in a small home. What was once dark and cluttered now feels light and calm, an oasis within a busy family apartment. With thoughtful layout changes and clever design, this bathroom shows how even the smallest rooms can support daily routines, family life, and a sense of peace. Rooftop, functional outdoor extension. In small New York City apartment living, every extra square foot matters, and that includes outdoor space. This rooftop functions as an extension of the home, serving as a workshop, storage zone, and creative outlet. Instead of decorative furniture, this space prioritizes organization, tools, and flexible storage. Container plants soften the environment while keeping maintenance low. It's a realistic approach to outdoor living in the city. This rooftop reflects the home's overall philosophy: reassess, adapt, and design for real life. When every area has purpose, even a small New York City apartment can support creativity, craftsmanship, and long-term family living. Thanks for spending time with us at Manna Home Design. If this tour inspired you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves smart storage, DIY solutions, and thoughtful home design. We'll see you in the next space, where every inch has a purpose.